In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Erase tab up here, and then when you're here, you have a bunch of different options. Now, the first one and the easiest one is just to use the whiteout. So if I basically click on that via this, I can white out certain parts of my PDF and erase it that way. So I can go and, for example, draw a rectangle over this with my left mouse button, and I'm going to tap on yes or click on yes, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to delete that part again, and I've basically erased it or done a whiteout. So that's the first way to do this. Now, of course, it's going to be the most convenient if you are having a white PDF. This looks a bit weird, but I'm going to show you a separate method to actually handle these things as well whenever you don't have a white PDF with a white background. Over here, you could also do redaction. So if I go mark for redaction, I can click on mark for redaction, and I can basically just select these things the same way as earlier, just draw a rectangle with my left mouse click, and I can hover over them to see how a redaction is going to look like, and I can just click on apply all redactions and then OK, and as you can see here, it's going to apply the redactions, and these things are now kind of blacked out and they're basically redacted and essentially erased from the PDF. So that's the second way, but we also got the third way, which is, I think, the easiest. You just have to go to the edit tab over here, and then you want to basically select the text you would like to erase, and you can just go ahead and either click in it and basically use the backspace or delete button to delete that, or you could just delete the whole rectangle by selecting it and basically just pressing the delete button on your keyboard, and you'll be good to go as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.